Visual Paradigm Support Integration with Atlassian Confluence. By Integrate with Confluence, you can publish your diagram directly to Confluence Wiki. Let's see how it works. In order to perform integration, we first need to create API token in Confluence. Press on your avatar at top right and select Account Settings. Select Security and press Create and Manage API Tokens. Please note that you may prompt for verification here. Once you get in, press Create API Token button. Specify the name of the token, as well as the expiry date. Press Create button to create it. Once the token being created, press Copy button to copy it. Switch to your VP application. Go to Window, Application Options, General, Connection. Enter the domain of your Confluence, your user email, and paste in your API token. Press Apply to confirm the change, and press OK to close the dialog. Now we can right-click on the blank area of your diagram and select Export to Confluence. A dialog will be shown and list out your spaces in Confluence. Let's select the integration project space. Then the pages under the selected space will be listed. You can select to publish your diagram into a new page or update existing one. Let's try Publish to a new page. You can also specify to include the name and description of your diagram or not. Once everything is done, press OK to proceed. A message will show when the diagram is being published. Let's switch back to Confluence. Go to Integration Project Space. Now the diagram is being published as a new page. Please note that the integration supported in version 17.3, build 20250901. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.